Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I know you are doing great. Today we will be making one of the special soup known in the eastern part of Nigeria, the Igbo land, Orah soup. But before then, if this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always being there. The meat is in the pot. I'll go ahead and season it up. Don't forget to add your stockfish. At this point, then cover to cook. I'll go ahead to prepare the Orah leaf, remove it from the stem, cut it and then wash it. If you want to know how to prepare and preserve this leaf, I'll be sharing the link of the video in the comment section. Once the meat is cooked properly, I'll go ahead and add in my smoked fish. Next, the native season, oil, fresh pepper. I'll allow it to boil, and once that is done, I'll go ahead and add my fish, smoked or fried fish. So I'll be adding the thickener. I'm using Orah for this. Immediately I've done that, I'll go ahead and add in the uziza leaves and wait for a minute or two, then add the Orah leaf and allow it to cook. Open. At this point, you don't need to close anymore. Give it a nice stir as so, little by little, being careful not to break the fish. After which, you allow it to boil open for another 2 minutes. At this point, our Orah soup is almost ready. So I tasted and added salt to adjust the taste, and at this point I added my blended crayfish with dry pepper. Allow it to boil for a minute, then give it a nice stir as so. You allow it to boil for another minute or two, and then off the stove or the cooker, and voila, our Orah soup is ready. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.